What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we're talking about an app called Unity Rewards. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. Unity Rewards is an app where you can find games, play games, and earn from games, as well as do bonus missions for more coins, and you can use these coins to then cash out for PayPal or other gift cards. So I started using Unity Rewards probably about 8 days ago or so. And yesterday I had just cashed out to Amazon for the video, and it worked. So the one thing that I do want to say is it was really super easy to use. I thought it was gonna have to send an email and I was gonna have to wait on an email for like 48 hours. But I redeemed and it gave me my code for Amazon balance right away. And basically within this video, I just want to show you Unity Rewards, how easy it is to use, and the whole cash out process. And through the mix of all that information, I'll show you some tips and tricks as well. So with that being said, let's just look at this app. We are on Unity Rewards app, and I'm just going to show you around the app, and then we're going to do a cash out. So this is Unity Rewards. This is the rewards hub, the main page that it goes to. At the top you can see your games. You can claim your daily login. There's bonus quests. Next tab is the earn page. It shows all the games, and as you can see, there's role-playing games, strategy games, board and card games, popular games, discover more games. Here it is, the redeem page. They got Google Play, they got Amazon, PayPal, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, Visa, and Venmo. Here's the activity page. It shows you all the games that you're earning from. It shows you all your redemptions. At the top, you can see your streak and your total balance and your profile. I'm using a alternate email to use this app. So we are going to go here, and I'm gonna try to cash out at least like 3 times with this or so. The max amount that it lets me for 1400. So redeem. Oh, so it just gives you your code right here and then. Alright, so copy my code. Then we go to Amazon. Go into your account, and then you scroll down, manage gift card balance. You can see your balance at the top. Redeem another gift card. Enter there. Boom, bop, boom. And you got $1 in your account. So let's fast forward and do the other ones until I can't anymore. Alright, now that we fast forwarded into the future, alright, so as you can see, I redeemed $1, $2, $3, $4. And they also gave me a thank you bonus for 500, and I completed a bonus quest for 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I cashed out $4, And if we go to Amazon, you can see I got $22. So yeah, that's basically how you use Unity rewards. It's pretty easy, and also they just give you the code right then and there, and you can just enter it, and bada boom, you got it. You don't have to wait on any emails or anything, but they might send you an email. I don't know. I have not checked mine, but I got the code and I was able to redeem them right then and there. One tip and trick for Unity rewards is basically find the highest paying games or find the highest paying easy games. So the highest paying easy games will have a high payout, but they'll also just pay you just to complete levels. Now these games are super easy. You basically just start and it tells you complete level 2, complete level 5, complete level 10, things like that. And it's super quick, super fast, and it's like that, and you got your coins. Not to mention, if you complete bonus missions, they also give you bonus coins. So doing the bonus missions every time there is one is going to really benefit you, because the bonus missions, they pay out quite a bit of coins versus the games that you're playing. And to give you a little example of that, so some of the bonus missions will pay up to 1,000 or even over 1,000. And some of the games that you play are only rewarding about 35 to probably maybe 100, 125 per level in the game that you're playing. So if you're doing the bonus missions, say it says earn 1,000 coins in one game. So that right there, you just play a game, even if it pays out 35 coins, you play it until you get 1,000, and then you get that bonus mission. That's 1,000 plus whatever you earned for that game. If you like this video and you like Unity rewards, please drop a like on this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And I will see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.